Today we are going to discuss unit number 10. Okay? In unit number 10, the unit name is Indices Darshaka. After writing the main topic, you have to do the review exercise. No need to write questions, just show the method and complete the review exercise. After completing the review exercise, you have to write the first subtopic. Subtopic number 10.2, expressing the power of a product as a product of powers. Expressing, you know, power of a product. Product ගුණිතය. ගුණිතයක යම් කිසි සංඛ්‍යා දෙකක හෝ කීපයක ගුණිතයක බලයක් product of powers. බලයක ගුණිතයක් විදිහට ලියන. ඒ අපැදිලි වගේ ඇති ගුණිතයක බලයක් බලයක ගුණිතය. Now look at your textbook page number 113. Okay, underneath this subtopic they say it like this: 2 into 3 is a product of 2 and 3. දෙවරක් 3 කියන්නේ 2 හා 3 අතර ගුණිතය. And 2 into 3 to the power 2. Here we have a product and the power of this product. මේක තමයි power of a product කියන්නේ. ගුණිතයක බලය. Power of a product. අපි දන්නේ මෙහෙම විතරයිනේ. Power එක කියන්නේ බලය, දර්ශකය කියන අදහස. Yeah? Then we are going to express power of a product as a product of powers. Let's see how to do this one. Then simply we are going to expand this one. When we have something like this 2 to the power 2, we write it like 2 into 2. Now we have 2 into 3 to the power 2. That means 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. So we can write without brackets like this. And we bring the like terms near. Then, එක ජාතිය එක නෙවෙයි 2 into 2 we can write 2 to the power 2 multiplication. 3 into 3 we can write 3 to the power 2. Now here product of powers. ගුණිතයක් කාගේද බලයන් සහිත දෙන්නේගේ. Product of powers. We have expressed power of a product. ගුණිතයක බලයක් බලවල ගුණිතයක් විදිහට ලියුවා. මේක තමයි අද පාඩම. I think it's easy. As your first example, you have to copy this down into your notebook. Now, after this one, we can write it like this: 2 into 3 to the power 2 is equal 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2. Okay. Now, you have to write this one as your example 1. Let's discuss the same example with power 3. You see, it's with power 3. That means third power. 2 neni bale. Now, 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. Now again 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. Then 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Then 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3. Okay. Therefore, we can say that 2 into 3 to the power 3 is equal 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3. Okay. This is your example number 2. Copy this down into your notebook. Okay. Now let's see. Let us consider a power of a product that contains unknown terms. Now, this example: A, B, to the power 2. Okay, here also we have a product. And also you know that in algebra, when we multiply two unknown terms, we don't mention the multiplication sign. But in here, actually we have a product. Now, it is a power of a product. Now we expand this one. AB into AB. Because it's power 2. Then again, I have to expand this one. A into B, A into B. Then the like terms together. Then A to the power 2 into B to the power 2. And finally we can write, because they are algebraic symbols, we can remove the multiplication and we can just write like this. So, therefore, AB to the power 2 equal A to the power 2, B to the power 2. We have expressed power of a product as a product of powers. Okay. Then, let's discuss another example. It is in your textbook also with the power 3. Instead of this one, you can copy the one given in textbook. AB to the power 3 as an example. Okay. Then let's see another example with 3 terms like this. X, Y, Z to the power 3. Then you can write like this. X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z into X, Y, Z. Now we expand X into Y into Z, X into Y into Z, X into Y into Z. Now the like terms together. In x to the power 3 into y to the power 3 into z to the power 3. Then x3, y3, z3. You have to copy this down as your next example, and finally we can write like this. The product between x, y, z to the power 3 is equal to x to the power 3, y to the power 3 and z to the power 3. Okay, I think this part is now clear to you. Now let's take the product between a number and an algebraic term. Okay, in page number 114, there's another example. Let's see. You have to copy this down, pause the video and copy it into your notebook. Then the next example. 4a to the power 2. Now there's a product between 4a to the power 2. Now we are going to express this one. Here we have to express 4 as a index, as a power. That means you have to find a base and an index instead of this 4. Before moving into this part, now we are going to discuss the reverse thing. That means earlier we discussed how to express power of a product as a product of powers. කලින් අපි කතා කරේ දෙන්නෙක්ගේ ගුණිතයක බලයක් තිබ්බොත් ඒ දෙන්න බලයන් සහිත කට්ටියගේ ගුණිතයක් විදිහට ලියන එක. දැන් මේකේ අනිත් පැත්ත. කියන්නේ අපි යට ඉඳන් උඩට එන්නයි යන්නේ. මේක ඒකට එක්සැම්පල් එකක්. හරි, ඔන්න බලන්න. We can write 4 as 2 to the power 2 and a as a to the power 2. Now as you can see, this is 2 to the power 2, it's a power, and a to the power 2, it's also a power. දෙකේ දෙක කියන්නේත් බලයක්, a දෙක කියන්නේත් බලයක්. දැන් අපිට තියෙන්නේ බලයන් සහිත දෙන්නෙක්ගේ ගුණිතයක්. මෙතන ඇත්තටම තියෙන්නේ බලයන් සහිත දෙන්නෙක්ගේ ගුණිතයක්. දැන් අපි කලින් කරේ ගුණිතයන් දෙකක බලයක්. දෙන්නේගේ ගුණිතයක බලයක්. දැන් බලයන් සහිත දෙන්නේගේ ගුණිතය. Now look at these two indices. They are similar. Both of them, the index is 2. So instead of this one, we can write like this: 2 into a to the power 2. Like that. Okay. Then 2a to the power 2. Now we have expressed product of powers as a power of a product. Make a product, make a power of a product. Okay. Now let's discuss another example. This is example 1 for converting power of a product to product of powers to power of a product. Okay. Then in your textbook, look at this one. Example 2, 36 x to the power 2. Then we have to write 36. Okay, here 36 means 6 to the power 2 into x to the power 2. Then 6 into x to the power 2. That means 6x to the power 2. Here product of powers as a power of a product. As a power of a product. Now this one. Third example. Here we have a multiplication between a number and a power. Here we have a multiplication between number and a power. Again, let's see this one. Here a multiplication between two unknown terms. Now x to the power 3, y to the power 3. That means x to the power 3 multiplied by y to the power 3. Okay, means x into y to the power 3. මේක ඇතුලේ තියෙන පියවර අපි කරන්නේ නැහැ. ඇතුලේ තියෙන ඇත්තටම කොයිකද? මෙන්න මේක. x to the power 3 කියන්නේ x into x. මේක y into y. Okay. Now මේක තියෙනවා x into y into x into y into x into y. මේ පියවරට උඩින් මෙන්න මේ පියවර දෙක තියෙනවා. දැන් අපිට ප්‍රැක්ටිස් ඉන්න අපි ඒක හිතින් තමයි කරන්නේ. කැමති නම් මේ පියවර දෙක අතරින් මේ ටික ලියාගත්තට කමක් නැහැ. පස්සේ අමතක වෙයි හිතෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ තමයි x into y ඒක එකම වතාව තුන් වතාවක් ගුණ වෙනින්න x into y ගේ තුන්වෙනි බලයේ විදිහට උතන හැදෙන්නේ. හරිද? තේරුණාද? මේකත් එහෙමයි. 6 වරක් x වරක් x. That's 6 වරක් x, 6 වරක් x. Okay? Now, you have your exercise 10.1. You have to do this exercise. Okay? Then, on next day, let's discuss the next subtopic, 10.3. Complete this whole exercise. There are only 4 questions. Then that's all for today. Thank you.